Behind the scenes, Karen's fixing her hair before I take photos again.
We should have
No, video.
You
so cute.
My
Karen, why are you so cute? Oh, that's pretty good.
Is that okay? This part's a little funny,
yeah,
but I don't know how to fix it.
one.
Carmen's gonna fix me. So we've been shooting photos for a little bit this morning. Carmen's the photographer. I am the free amateur model who is a bad model.
Hey, but you're free.
Yeah, I'm free. And I'm hungry. What are we gonna eat after this?
Fire and water.
Okay.
Whatever we can make a video out of.
Yeah.
Maximize the videos.
Sounds good to me. I'm hungry. Okay, I'm gonna stop taking video.
Hope you don't mind if I take a video of you, like if you said. Taking video.
Oh, you are? I know that.
Oh, I need
Salad
that.
on your plate.
Yes, please. Describe the flavors.
It's good.
Lemony, right?
Lemony, yeah.
It's very crispy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very nice and crisp throughout.
Yeah.
The crust side is nice and fluffy, actually. It's not really dense at all. It's just
Look at those.
kind of crunchy. Look at that. Very nice. It's really good. You can see a nice char on the bottom of it.
I already ate the rest of it.
Very good.
It's honestly where I got the inspiration for
Is it good?
and
Is it good?
One green tea and one original.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make a video out of this?
Mm-hmm.
So dedicated.
Content, Karen.
If only you can edit as dedicatedly.
Hey, I can get it. What do you usually say? Save bought some of these for later.
Got some treats for later.
Say it again.
I don't know.
Okay, walk over. The water's so green.
It's really sunny.
Wait, stand up the backpack so I see the front of it.
Are we eating here? Is this
Yeah.
why you're recording video?
Yeah?
Oh. So right now we're here at the Jewish Contemporary Jewish Museum.
You can say that again?
So right now we're here at the Jewish Contemporary
Oh, sorry.
Museum.
Sorry. See you.
I'm gonna hold you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm not ready. So right now we're here at the Jewish Contemporary Museum in San Francisco, and we're gonna try out the Beard Papa's cream puffs. Aw, I was so close.
Yeah, you were.
The baked cheese tarts and the Beard Papa's cream puffs.
From
Beard Papa.
from the mall. From the
Oh.
Westfield.
From the Westfield Mall. But Beard Papa is like right around the corner, so
That's true, but we got them at the
yeah, we
Mall.
got them at the mall.
Okay.
Can you eat it with me
Yeah, I do want to eat it with you.
at the same time?
Good.
Is it good? So we got the original cream puff and the honey butter cream puff, both with vanilla inside.
Yeah, so the one on the left is the cream puff.
They're
Regular
both cream puffs.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
The original cream puff.
The
you
left is the original and the right is the honey butter.
mean. Yes.
How's that?
Okay, I'm gonna try the original first. You can see the vanilla beans inside. Should I record you?
No, best. I always liked how their shell was like crispy, and they always fill it really well.
They fill it right before they give it to you. Like when you order, they fill it right then. So the outside will always be crispy. It won't like have the cream sitting in there making it soft.
They do good choux pastry.
Like a sweet Dutch crunch? Is that what it's called?
I think so.
Oh man, I can't pick it up. I'm gonna bite the corner that I smushed. The crust gives it a little bit more of that crispy texture, and it's sweeter, obviously.
So sweeter and crispier. Okay.
You try it.
Mm.
It's good, right?
Mm.
Do you like it more than the original?
I think I might, because I like the crispy.
I think I like it more than the original.
It sticks to your teeth a little bit though.
That's true. But it's so good.
It is so good. It has a caramelly taste from the sugar.
Yeah.
It's like a creme brulee and a cream puff.
Yeah, like that brown sugar taste. Okay, next we have the 2 cheese tarts.
Karen dropped the bag earlier. Let's see if they turned out
No,
okay.
I dropped that one.
Oh, you dropped that one. Okay. So the tarts are safe.
I mean, as safe as it could be in my hands. So we have the green tea cheese tart and the original cheese tart.
They're so cute.
And these are supposed to be, I don't know if they're supposed to jiggle. They look like they should, but
no.
I guess not.
Just baked top.
Okay, let's try the original first. The Beard Papas I've tried before, but I've never tried these cheese tarts. Have you?
No. They kind of look like that on top.
Oh, that's really soft.
Really soft? It's really hard to focus close.
It's like really fluffy cheesecake.
Oh, wow.
It's surprisingly soft, right? It's like light and airy.
It's good. It's saltier than I thought it would, but
Yeah.
it's good. Nice balance of salty and sweet. And I like the crust too. The shell or the pie crust or whatever. It's like a nice cookie.
Yeah.
Nice shortbread cookie. Delicious.
Let's try the green tea one now.
Same texture.
This one's actually a little runnier. Maybe because of the matcha, but the
Yeah.
matcha taste definitely comes through.
Yeah. Let me try.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like, I don't know,
Like
green
molten.
sauce. Yeah.
It's more of a saucy texture than the original. The original is like a really fluffy cheesecake. This one's more of a saucy cheese sauce with matcha.
I feel bad eating, like talking with my mouth full.
I still like it though. Do
That's
you?
really good.
Okay, out of this one or that one, which one do you like more?
The matcha is so strong.
That's
And
true.
I like matcha.
I really like matcha.
Yeah.
Flavor-wise, I think I like this one. but texture-wise, I think I like the original.
I agree with you. Like, I like the fluffiness of the original, but I like the flavor of the matcha.
Okay, there we go. Taste tested.
And we're gonna take some more photos today.
Yeah. Carmen.
Yes.
Hi. What are you up to?
We're taking some new photos of our new bags.
And Carmen is lint rolling it.
Karen doesn't have to Photoshop so much.
Yeah.
Karen.
Thank you. Here's our camera setup. A bunch of clothes because this is our packing backpack.
MB packing backpack.
Yeah, so we have already packed it, but these are all the reject clothes. This is not very riveting.
It's very riveting. It's hard riveting.
Okay, let's continue taking photos.